Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on a stock that I talked a lot about earlier, a company by the name of Workhorse. Workhorse is up about 700% so far this year. The stock has done extremely well. Much of the growth in the stock price came from an expectation that Workhorse was going to get at least some substantial component of a U.S. Postal Service contract to make 165,000 electric vehicles or something like 165,000 units as part of an $8.1 billion deal. Well, Workhorse stock, I remember yesterday when we were talking, I was telling you guys that the stock was gonna, that it's been moving up all through the weekend. I don't know if you own it, you saw the stock doing really well. The options premia were extremely high. It's been a great investment. So that was taken by Wall Street and other places to mean that there's an expectation that they might get a piece of this deal. Well, this morning I was watching closely to see what would happen to the stock today, and I noticed that the stock actually started dropping a lot, maybe about 4%, something like that, maybe more, maybe even as much as 5%. It was hovering around 28, 29 yesterday. Now it's down to 24, about 24 flat, even went into 23 for a little bit. And so when that happens, there's usually news and information that's driving that. So I did some research to find out what was going on. And basically what I'm finding here on Street Insider is that basically Roth Capital analyst Craig Irwin downgraded Workhorse from buy to neutral, right? So rather than buy with the original price target of $33, he had a price target of $33. Now the price target has been reduced to $27. And what that did was that pushed down the price of the stock. Now, why did this happen? Well, he said that they received a favorable email or they saw an email correspondence from the U.S. Postal Service indicating that Workhorse had a good shot at getting the contract. But then they received something, another piece of information saying that the U.S. Postal Service, instead of making a decision now, may not make a decision until the end of the year. That changes a lot of dynamics, and that basically reduced the value of the stock. So if you own Workhorse, sorry if you lost money from it. One of the things that I did, just in case you want to know, is I did buy some put options on it yesterday because the gains were so steep. I said, let me protect this from the downside. So the put options went up in value, which kind of balanced from the losses on the stock. So that's just a thought. If you haven't joined the Black Stock the Black Stock Market Program, feel free to go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com. That's where I give you a lot more insight into things I'm buying and stuff like that, as well as training on stock market investing to make you very confident with markets and how they work. So feel free, go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com, and don't forget that on the 15th, the Powernomics Masterclass begins with Dr. Claude Anderson. You can go to powernomicsmasterclass.com. That's powernomicsmasterclass.com. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.